Hi, it's Harold here, and first of all, congratulations on picking up the WP Local Search Supremacy plugin. I guarantee you, you're not going to be disappointed. It's really cool, and you can download it right away and start playing with it and start using it on your websites and start improving your search results. Also, start making some really cool websites for your clients and your offline clients. Now, you've landed on an OTO page. There's no surprise there. And I have to tell you, we weren't going to do this, and I didn't want to do this. We had a couple people really tell us that we need to do this, this webinar that we're doing, and it's how to get offline clients. Now, it's great to have all the SEO knowledge in the world, and it's great to have cool tools like the WP Local Search Supremacy plugin, but if you don't have any way to monetize these things, they're next to useless. You can monetize this plugin, in all kinds of ways. One of the big ways is in the offline market, helping local business owners with their websites. Now, it's no secret that Google loves local businesses. I mean, you can look at Google Local, Google Maps, look at any search result you do on Google, and there's going to be local results tied to your IP address of your location. More and more businesses are finally starting to realize the importance of online marketing, and there's so many different services you can offer. Myself, I do a lot of Google Place listings, I do a lot of SEO, I do a bit of AdWords, and a bunch of other things, and of course, social media. But the big question is, how do you find clients? How do you find people that want to pay you to do work for you? There are good ways to do it, and there are bad ways to do it. There are so many WSOs out there on how to get offline clients. Some of them are phenomenal. I've grabbed a bunch myself, and I've learned all kinds of really cool things. Some of them are really bad. What Joe and I want to do is get together with you on a webinar. It's probably going to last a couple of hours, is my guess. It's going to be a while. And we are going to build a full campaign that targets a specific offline business. We're going to talk about what kind of businesses we go after. We'll talk about where we find them. We'll talk about why we target these businesses. We'll talk about how we get our proverbial foot in the door and position ourselves as experts right away and separate us from the field. Usually when we use this method, we get clients calling us back. Now, I'll be upfront. Obviously, not everybody we contact gets back to us. If anybody tells you that, I pretty much think they're lying. But the people that do get back to us, they're interested and want to work with us and almost owe us. They say, hey, thanks for that. That's so much different than anybody else has ever approached me with. I appreciate it. Right there, it tells you that you've earned the respect and trust of people. And if you can do that first before you even start selling or pitching anything, you're miles ahead of everybody else. Once you're on a personable level with a business owner and you can talk to them straight up of what you can do and they feel that they can trust you, providing the services that you want is going to be a no-brainer. So once we tell you exactly how to find the businesses, how to approach them, we're going to show you how to close the deal. And I almost always use a document I prepared a while ago, and it's a template, and I build each client's thing specifically for each one. But this template works like magic. It educates the client. It shows them what we're going to do. It's going to show them how we're going to do it without getting very technical, but basically what's involved. And then at the end it sells and closes, and it tells the prices and what we need to do next to proceed. So this closes clients really well, and we're going to provide that for you. And then we're going to walk through all the steps. I mean, everything's listed below, and we'll probably do a little bit more than what's listed below. So it's going to be a great webinar. You're actually going to see us working on this online. So you'll see our computer screens, and we're going to go through finding and how we approach and the tools we use and exactly what we do. So if you are looking for offline clients, if that's a weak point in your business, if you do sit down sometimes and you wish you had the work, but you don't have the clients lined up, this webinar is for you. If you've got all kinds of clients or you have some other things in mind for the WP Local Search Supremacy plugin, that's great. This is just an option for you. Go ahead, grab it now. This, of course, is a one-time offer, so you're not going to see it again. And you'll have access to this in the membership website where you're going to download the WP Local Search Supremacy plugin. All right, that's it for this page. If you're not interested in the webinar series, or the webinar, it's not a series, it's one webinar, there's a download link at the bottom of the page where you can go grab the WP Local Search Supremacy plugin now. All right, make it a great day. Bye for now.